Hi, I'm Tracy Demore. I'm the COO here at Bulletproof. At Bulletproof, we offer 4 distinct Microsoft engagements. They're intended for organizations who are invested in Microsoft technologies and are looking to unlock the full set of security and compliance features available to them. Whether you're a new to Microsoft organization or you're a longtime user of Microsoft technologies, you can benefit from these engagements. So the core purpose of the Microsoft engagements are to bring your key stakeholders together to make sure that your Microsoft technologies are not only operational, but that they're securing your environment as well. Let's face it, the cybersecurity landscape is tougher than ever, and your organization needs constant vigilance. It's no longer set it and forget it. Even the smallest mistake can open the door to costly breaches and operational disruption. We start with a deep dive into your current setup, looking for any weaknesses, misconfigurations, or security gaps that could put your business at risk. Then we guide you to a more secure and optimized environment, reducing risk for your organization. Consider these engagements that second set of eyes where our experts come in and take a look to make sure that the technologies are configured in a way that align with not only Microsoft best practices, but cybersecurity best practices as well. Bulletproof is a strong Microsoft partner because we bring over 20 years experience supporting Microsoft customers across North America. We are also a Microsoft Solutions partner. That means not only do we need to obtain Microsoft certifications, but we need to maintain them. This is done through ongoing training and demonstrated project experience. But what really sets us apart is our understanding of cybersecurity from top to bottom. We understand it from a governance perspective in terms of policies and procedures, right down to the day-to-day operations of security monitoring, threat hunting, and remediation. And most importantly, how this all works together. We help our customers build out world-class security programs and solutions. Certain organizations are eligible for fully funded Microsoft engagements. Please reach out and we'll be happy to determine if you are eligible.